give one joint. Do at home. Cool there. Nice this joint saw. I won't even cut saw. I'll leave it like this here.
Fala galera da Garagem, hoje nós vamos fazer aqui a higienização desse Renegade que entrou aqui na loja.
Look at her like she's scared-o. Small hook leaves. There is something much more complicated here. This is good. This is good. Look here, why? How are you here soaked? It's dirty nor. There's a lot of baggage here, why? Have to take it out in order to do the cleaning. Matias is already taking care of it. EH Matias. Already taken care. I will show you here. This is just one detailed cleaning. Saw people. Is one hygiene is. Let's say so it is. It is not a press nor, because she already has some finishes. You will follow. There in the video, right? The finishes we're going to do. Apply here in the wheel boxes, right? Cleaning the wheel box, oh. Okay, it's pretty dirty here, oh. For those who think I only record video with clean wheel box. More people. Here's what comes in the store, right? We will record the content here for you, oh. Tire is well contaminated. And let's give a talent here. In this Renegade here that traveled, killed many insects here, why? You can see here too. The bug came from travel. But let's do a decontamination here. I will show, for you here in the video people the products right. So, we can do this cleaning. Look how the glass is here, oh. Here I have already shown why. It's very dirty. And let's give that talent in the cart. Let's go.
I'll show you here in the wheel boxes. Applying Alumax on a part of the wheel arches. Let's see what will really work. If he really helps to get all the contamination and dirt off that tire. Look at this wheel box. I'll apply here for you to see whether or not it will really help with the cleaning process. Ready to wait here just a little while for the process. The time the product actually asks for, which is 3 minutes. Then, I will remove, and the other side I'll take out just with beauty water. Okay, 3 minutes later it's gone. I will remove the product here to see if it really worked and if it really helped in cleaning here at Max. Bora there. I chose this product here. Vonixx rowing for us to try. Let's test and practice here how it will look. If it will make it easier and if will help remove this contamination. 2 plastics go there. Okay, let it act a little. At least 3 minutes for the product to make your action. And let's see if it really helps in removing the dirt. Bora there. Is then. See how it facilitated in removing the dirt. Left side. And the right side where I applied the product. Right side is much cleaner. Even made it easy to clean the plastic part. Look at the left side as it got a lot of dirt. My God.
did not see. I will let you see.
I won't cut, no. Have to get the car saw. It's time. Wants to be an artist. Wet in the ear. It's cool. Where is? Which is where it is? Where is this at home?
And then garage guys. Tell me what you found here from Renegade. Look at how the talent turned out. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Is video every week, as we do car cleaning here. We are also having a process of. It's inside the video for us to make some tips, right? Do some more specific service, right? To show you. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video until the end. And even the next video was worth